In order to solve an equation that has fractions, a great first step is to multiply both sides of the equal sign by a number that both of the denominators will fit into. I could use 18, 6 times 3 is 18, and that would work. But a smaller number that would work even better is 6, because 3 fits into 6 and 6 fits into 6. All right, so let's go ahead and start that. Try to run you through this quickly here. So 6 and 3, we're deciding on 6. So notice I'm multiplying both sides by 6. When you multiply, you're going to need to distribute that through, and essentially you take the number out front divided by the denominator, write the answer, and then put the numerator in parentheses. When I do that here and I multiply 6 times this fraction, a positive times a negative is a negative, and 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then put the numerator in parentheses right next to it. On the right-hand side, negative 17 multiplied by 6 is negative 102. So really quick, just one more time on that part. When you multiply through, take the number out front, divide it by the denominator, write it down, put the numerator in parentheses. Okay, then take the number out front, divide it by the denominator, and write it down. The numerator in parentheses. But positive times negative, that's why that one was negative. Okay, from here we're just simplifying each side of the equation before we move letters to one side, numbers to the other. So in simplifying, we're going to end up doing two things, distributive property and combining like terms. So let's go ahead and do those real quick. All right, so 1 multiplied by v is v, and then 1 multiplied by negative 9 is negative 9. Negative 2 multiplied by 7v is negative 14v, and negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Bring down the right side. I want to combine some like terms. So v and negative 14v make negative 13v. Negative 9 minus 2 is negative 11. Bring down the negative 102. Letters on one side, numbers on the other. So v, numbers, numbers. Let's add over the 11 to move the numbers to the same side. We have negative 13v equals negative 91. And then finally, we can get rid of multiply by negative 13. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And my final answer there, dividing both sides by negative 13, v is going to equal 7.